Yo, what up guys, it's Flower Pop Rings here, and today we're going to be doing what's inside a baseball with my sister. Do you see that space in between my teeth? It's because of my palate expander, and I really hate it. Okay, so we're going to now cut it open with this knife on a cutting board, and when it's open we can see what's inside. I think it's going to be all, like, stringy. Tell me in the comments below what you think is going to be inside, okay? Here we go. Here, I'll speed it up for you. Okay, so this is what it looks like up close, a bit, all cut up. So now we're going to reveal it. So, are you ready? I was very wrong.
I mean, like, it is sort of stringy, I guess.
Yeah, so it is kind of stringy, but it's got this weird, bad smelling.
I think it's cork-y stuff.
Yeah. Wow. This is really easy to get off. This is nowhere close to what I expected. Yeah, it smells like a basketball.
I smell.
So, okay. So now I'm gonna cut it open again and see what's in the inside. So, stop the video. And do fast motion. So I couldn't cut it open, like it would take me ages to cut the whole thing open. I only got these little bits off, but this is what it looks like. In the inside. It smells the same. So I think there might be some plastic. I think there might be some plastic and wood a bit in there. Not so bouncy. Okay, well, wasn't so interesting. It's not so interesting, but it's still pretty cool. Like the outside of the thing. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time on Flower Pop Rings.